Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm vlogging. Halloween is right around the corner, so the other day I went decor shopping. I only bought a few things, and all my decor is basically just pumpkins. And I've actually already put everything out that I bought, but I want to quickly show you guys. How cute is that? I got that blanket from Home Goods and then this pumpkin from Target. Then I got this cute pumpkin sign from Home Goods. And then these cute pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Lots of pumpkins. I also always decorate this shelf during any holiday. Obviously, Halloween time is just a bunch of pumpkins. So I went to IKEA yesterday and I just wanted to get some like serving dishes or cute dishes that I can use because I'm having family over for like a movie night. And they had these super cute, what are these? Chip bowls, sauce bowls, I don't know, but look how cute they are. They're little ghosts. And then I got this cute snackle box. So this was actually from Amazon. It was only $8. So I got this because for movie night, I want to put a bunch of candy in the little compartments so that my family and the kids can just like pick a little treat out of the snackle box while I watch some Halloween movies. Pretty nice little cups. Put all your little snacks in. Can't believe this was $8. Such a good deal. I think I'm gonna do like the sour on the top and then the chocolatey on the bottom. Had to have both because I'm a big fan of fruity candy and chocolate, but mostly fruity candy. So here's all the candy options for our movie night. Like, look how yummy that is. Good morning, guys. Today is the first day of the Sephora sale. So I thought I would vlog today since I am going into Sephora and I'm gonna buy some stuff. I'm not gonna buy a bunch of stuff because I obviously have way too much makeup and I honestly don't need any more, but this is like my hobby, my favorite thing, something that makes me happy, so I love to do it, but I'm not going to be spending too much this time. Normally I spend like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but I figured this time around I won't spend too much, just things that I really want to try out or things that I need. So right now I'm just quickly doing basically the bare minimum because I don't like going out with too much makeup. So I just use this Wishful Eye Lift Contour Eye Serum. Never used this before. I don't even know if they still sell it anymore. I got it on sale like a month or two back. And then I've been using this COSRX Power Essence and I've actually been really liking this. Just using this little mini one that I got a sample of from Sunday Riley. I do need a refill of the Drunk Elephant Peptide Moisturizer. Super hydrating. It doesn't feel like extra heavy on the skin. And they have like a holiday pack of it. So definitely want to get that. I've been drinking these Quest protein coffees lately. This one's okay, but it has a weird aftertaste. I don't think I would buy it again, but I do like that it has a nice coffee flavor. Obsessed still with the sunscreen. Can't get enough of it. My hair right now is actually a mess. It's definitely a wash day, but I don't have time to do that right now because I want to get to Sephora right when they open. So it's definitely going to be a hat day or beanie day. A little bit of dry shampoo can fix anything. I've been using the Living Proof one and it's pretty good, but it's so expensive. So if there's any affordable good ones, please let me know. All right, so now I'm gonna do the bare minimum makeup because I don't have a bunch of time and I don't like putting on a full face when I go to Sephora because then I can't like swatch foundations. Quickly get a little bit put together. great time shopping. We went to Sephora and Bath and Body Works. I definitely went a little bit over my budget at Sephora, but that's okay. I'm not gonna show everything that I got because I wanna do a Sephora sale haul video. Right now I'm watching that new Martha Stewart documentary. I used to love Martha Stewart growing up. It's really interesting learning more about her and that whole scandal situation she was in. At Bath and Body Works, I wanted to get so many more candles because they have everything just so set up and beautiful there. It's just really like enticing. So I only got 3 different candles, all holiday candles. And the first one I got is Spiced Apple Toddy. And this one just reminds me so much of the holidays, Christmas. Like I cannot wait to light this. And this one has scents of warm apple brandy, spiced plum, tart cranberry, and cinnamon stick. And then I got mahogany balsam. So the fresh balsam candle is definitely one of my favorites, but I already have a couple of those. So I got the mahogany balsam one. Juniper berry, fresh balsam, mahogany wood, sugared musk. Definitely like that nice, clean, manly scent. Love it. Then the last candle I got, this is one of my favorite holiday candles. Frosted cranberry. Look at this packaging, like that's so cute. This is another one of my top favorite holiday candles. It's iced cranberries, blonde woods, red apple, tonka bean. So 'tis the season and frosted cranberry and the fresh balsam favorite. Love it. I wanted to get more, but I'm definitely going to save my candle splurge till candle day. So right now I want to do an everything shower. So I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna exfoliate my body, I'm gonna shave my legs, everything. I want to do a little treatment to my hair because my hair has been a little dry lately. So I'm just going to spray this intensive bond building hair treatment in my hair before I wash it. You basically just spray it into dry hair and then leave it in for 10 minutes and wash it out. I'm also gonna put some rosemary oil onto my scalp, kind of like massage it in. It's like a little scalp treatment. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. Next, I'm just gonna do a little bit of this TLC Drunk Elephant baby facial on my face, just because I feel like I need a good exfoliation. This one I only like to leave on for like 2 minutes because it's definitely like more of an intense treatment. Everything shower is complete and I feel so much better now that my hair is washed. So of course now I want to do my night skincare, and always I have to do this LED mask. It's like essential in my skincare routine. So when I'm done with the LED mask, gotta do all the night skincare. COSRX Power Essence. Love this stuff. I like to use this Fill and Treat serum. So it's like this advanced retinol triple hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to help with wrinkles. And man, have I been so insecure about my wrinkles lately. Just starting to notice them a lot more. So retinol has been like my favorite type of skincare to research and buy. I just started using this, but this is the Wishful Eye and Lift Contour. Super nice and cooling. I love when they have applicators with this cooling metal. Feels so refreshing, especially in the morning. Lash serum. Try to only use this lash serum like 3 times a week. And then I've been using this CEO Afterglow Sunday Riley Mini Moisturizer. I'm actually almost out of it. It's okay, but I had like 3 of them that I've been trying to use up because I'm a skincare hoarder and I love all the minis. I always get them as samples at Sephora and Ulta. A little bit of extra on the neck so I can gouge. All the splashing is my son taking a bath. And then this gigantic thing of Aquaphor because I'm obsessed. I have been loving this deodorant from Each and Every. This is the citrus and vetiver. That's how you say it? I don't know, but this smells so good. And here are the 2 lotions I've been using. So this is the CeraVe Rough and Bumpy Skin. And I only put this on my like lower legs because I'll get like ingrown hairs and this is supposed to help exfoliate. And then of course, Sol de Janeiro everywhere else. This is the jumbo size. Normally I'll put my lotion on when I'm not clothed, but for obvious reasons, we're clothed. All right, now my least favorite hair. I love having long hair, but it is so much work. So I've been using this Nexus hair regrowth treatment for women. I don't know if it's really working, but I don't think I'm using it as often as I'm supposed to. But I just put it right in the areas where I feel like my hair is thinning. Rub it in, and then so it's easy to brush my hair. Sol de Janeiro Milky Leave-In Conditioner. Love this stuff. And then this Not Your Mother's Sleep On It Serum Cream. I'm almost out and I have a backup of this because I actually really like this stuff. I feel like it's helped my hair become a lot more healthy and makes it easier to brush through, because look at that. Ugh. Lately, I've been like blow drying just like the scalp of my hair. It makes my hair last longer and it's not as greasy within the next few days. So I've been using this all over bodybuilder stuff from Redken. It just gives me a little more lift. So I'll just apply it to like the roots. And then blow dry just the roots. I don't like to blow dry my whole hair because I'd be here forever. So just the roots. So obviously my hair's still very wet, but my roots aren't. My hair's gonna last so much longer and not get as greasy as fast. And last, I'm going to spray my whole body and hair with this Rare Beauty Find Comfort Body Hair Fragrance Mist. Love this stuff. It smells so good, so relaxing. I love to spray this, especially in the evening time when I'm about to just relax. Feels so clean and so much better. Right now I want to have a little movie night with my son since it's just us home today. And I figured I could make us a pizza with this leftover dough I have from making spinach puffs during a movie night I had with my family. But we still have a lot of candy in my little snackle box. So I figured him and I can have some of that and watch a little cartoon movie, whatever he wants. Yummy. Can't wait to see how this turns out. So obviously all the vegetables for me. They're just cheese for my son. All right, while we are waiting for the food to cook, I want to make a pear martini. I have been obsessed with this drink. It's so good. I actually found the recipe on TikTok. I forget who it is, but she just posts so many yummy different drinks. This right here. So I got everything that she listed and we are going to make this pear martini. I don't have a pear garnish though, but I have everything for the recipe. Lemon juice, simple syrup, elderflower liqueur, and some pear Grey Goose vodka. I'm almost out. My sister came over, we had so many. We did not feel good the next day too. Obviously some ice, half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of elderflower liqueur, half an ounce of lemon juice, and then 2 shots of this pear vodka. Lid on. And look at that yumminess. Cheers. This is dangerously good. Love this recipe. Got our pizza. My son already spilled the ranch. Our little snackle box. And of course, he wanted to watch Monsters Inc. He's obsessed. And Ruby, you are too close to my food. I recently got these candles right here on Amazon and they're so amazing. I love them. They're just like battery powered candles, but they just set the ambiance. Which candy are you gonna want to eat first?
Yeah.
He loves the M&Ms. Like, these are his favorite. But this is obviously way too much. He's only gonna have the tiniest bit.
Does this taste so good?
It's so good. I'm obsessed with pizza.
Yep, I still says pizza.
Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next video.